Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the vaporizer on a stable, heat-resistant surface that prevents spills and improves steam flow. Next, fill with clean water to the indicated level. Do not overfill. Once done, plug into a grounded outlet and switch power on. You will see the ready light flash. You should hear a soft hum as the heating element engages. Make sure the mouthpiece and filter are seated. This ensures consistent vapor and prevents hot droplets from reaching you. You now choose the steam intensity based on comfort, low for gentle moisture, high for stronger vapor. Turn the dial slowly and listen for stable bubbles. This indicates even heating. Once set, wait 5 to 7 minutes for the unit to reach target temperature. That avoids sputtering or cool bursts. If your model has a timer or auto shutoff, set 10 to 20 minutes for typical sessions. While it warms, position the mouthpiece at a comfortable angle to reduce jaw strain. You begin inhalation with gentle, normal breaths. Take 1 to 2 minute breaks if sensations feel strong. When finished, turn the unit off, unplug it, and allow at least 15 minutes to cool before handling or emptying water. This prevents burns. For routine care, wipe the exterior and clean the mouthpiece after each use. If no steam appears, check the water level first, then reset any fuse or power switch, and clear mineral buildup from ports. This usually resolves most faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.